Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video I'll show you how you can change Google voice search language from English to Spanish. So I received few comments asking me like how we can change this Google search language from English to Spanish. Okay, this is the Google voice search. Okay, but you usually when you search you'll speak in English, means how we can give the Spanish commands
In
here.
Spanish,
Okay,
that's
Spanish voice command so that Google will display Spanish results. I'll show you. It's very simple. You need to click on your phone settings and scroll down and you'll find this option called Google. Tap on this Google, and once you tap on the Google you'll see something like this one. Okay, you need to click on all services. It will be in recommended. You need to click on all services and click on search for settings for Google Apps, the last option. And here the last option, search assistant and voice. Tap on this, and here you will find voice. Tap on this and click on the language as the first option. By default it will be English, and search for your preferred language. For in this example I'll just say something like maybe this one, Spanish. Okay, I selected. You'll get this check mark here. Once you click the check mark, and you need to click on change primary option. So now the current primary option is English. I'm selecting to Spanish. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll open the Google search same, and I'll click on this. ¿Cómo estás?
stars frequently mentioned
Okay,
on
okay.
the
I'm unable to pronounce the Spanish exact command, voice search command. So yeah, if you know Spanish, you can actually try searching something on Google voice search using exact Spanish words. ¿Cómo estás? See here, all the search results are in this Spanish language now. So you may try it yourself. So this is how you can change Google voice search language from English to Spanish. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.